Okay, so, unboxing. Scent Society, man. So, eto na. Dadala nila tayo ng PR. And, syempre, nag-purchase din tayo kasi sobrang ganda talaga ng Scent Society, guys. Unahin ko na tong unang box, which is yung order natin. Okay, yan na siya, men. Uy, may mga decant pa dito, men. So, may na-receive pa yung decants ng kanilang Limail, Elixir, and Mont Blanc Legend. Personally, hindi ako fan ng Mont Blanc Legend, guys. Ito na ang box. Ang ganda talaga ng box nila. Malaki, guys. Malaki kasi. Yan. Scent Society. So, ang order natin is Black XS, no? So, now, dito na tayo sa PR box, men. Gagi, para siyang ano, men. Parang sapatos, men. Parang sapatos yung laman, men. Ay, talaga naman, men. Talaga naman, men. PR box. PR box. And nakalagay yung pangalan ko, syempre. Luigi De Vera. Thank you very much, Scent Society, men. Sobrang ganda na ito. Ano bang laman ng isang Scent Society PR box, men? Ay, talaga naman, men. Ito yung mga gusto ko talaga, men. Ito yung gusto ko, men. So, ito yung pouch. Ang ganda. Unahin natin yung mga pouch. Okay. Ang laman nito is Silver Mountain Water. And then, Coral Waters, men. Gusto ko matry ito, men. I'm very interested dyan. Mont Blanc Legend naman. And Paradise Garden. Okay? So, check natin kung anong mga amoy niyan. Pero sa ngayon, ipapakita ko lang muna sa inyo yung itsura ng mga bottles, no? And the presentation itself. Okay. So, this is Freshwood Reverie. Yes. Yes, ito yung gusto kong maamoy. Freshwood Reverie. This is their own blend, guys, by the way. Freshwood Reverie. Kulay green. Ang ganda ng kulay, men. Para siyang effervescent oil. Okay. Itong isa ay... Yung isa is yung Limail Elixir. Limail. Sayang, gusto ko sana matry is yung Ferdus, which is yung Herbapura nila. But anyways, men, still, thank you. You know, I'm not a fan of LME, men. I'm still interested dito sa take nila ng LME, guys. Okay, so eto na. Eto na, guys. Eto na, guys. Ito yung pinurchase ko, which is their Black Lexus. This is inspired by Black XS ni PR, no? Hindi ko na sabihin yung brand, but yun siya. Black XS ni Paco, men. Ni Paco. So, that's a discontinued fragrance. So, all in all, we can try about meron na dumoble kasi yung ibang decants, men. That's fine. Hindi ko rin naman sinabi ano yung gusto ko matry. So, it's my fault. It's my fault. So, yan. Makakatry tayo ng all in all 6 new fragrances from Scent Society, guys. Thank you again, Scent Society. Man, abangan niyo yung mga first impressions ko dito. I'm very excited to try this out.